If you lost your iPhone or somebody stole your iPhone, there are certain things that you need to do immediately to help to recover that iPhone so that you can get it back and make sure whoever stole it or whether it was lost, you're not compromising all of your data. I'm going to walk you through the immediate steps that you need to take, even if that phone is turned off and even if you don't have another Apple device. But first, I want to walk you through some steps if you still have your phone to help protect it and make sure we can do these steps when your phone is lost or stolen, or if it is lost and stolen. So the first thing you're going to do if you still have your iPhone is to tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services at the top. And then choose Share My Location midway down. And from here, tap on, at the top, Find My iPhone. You can see Find My iPhone allows you to track your iPhone. However, you might be thinking, what if they just turn your iPhone off? Well, Apple has also thought of that as well, because Find My Network says participating in Find My Network lets you locate this iPhone even when it's offline, power reserve mode, or after powering off. So essentially turn on all three of these to make sure that you can track your iPhone in case it is lost or stolen. And I'll show you different ways to be able to do that. Now, let's say you lost an iPhone, but you have your iPad nearby or your Mac computer. If you have another Apple device that's on that same account, you can use the Find My app. So to be able to do that, swipe down and then just type in Find My and tap on the Find My app. From here, it usually defaults to the people that share their location with you. However, you're going to tap on Devices here. And you can see if I scroll through here, this is Trevor's iPhone, my MacBook Pro, my AirPods, my iPad, all of these, I'll be able to track the exact location using the Find My app. So essentially, I can tap on any of these, let's say the iPhone, and it'll show the exact location of it. I can choose Play Sound if I wanted to just locate it, if I think it is nearby. I can also turn on Lost Mode here. And at the bottom, I can also choose to erase this if somebody got it and basically they're maliciously trying to break into it. I can just remotely erase that iPhone. However, let's say you don't have access to another Apple device. You can also do this exact same thing on any device, an Android phone, a PC computer, a Google Chromebook, whatever you want, it doesn't matter. What you're going to do is open up a web browser on that device. From that web browser, we're just going to type in iCloud.com and hit go. From here, you're going to log into your iCloud account. So it's the same as your Apple ID account. If you don't know that password, you can always just hit Forgot Password and then just reset it by sending an email code to your email. After you've done that, you can see on the iCloud.com is Find My. Just tap on Find My, and it will pop up similar to what it looked like on the iPhone. So I'm going to just sign in with my passkey here and use my Face ID to authenticate this. Let's try that again. And just like that, I'll be able to see where all my devices are, and it'll pop up with my iPhone here, my MacBook Pro, my AirPods, iPad, etc. So again, on any of these, I can just tap on it and it will zoom into the exact same location. Similar to the app, I'll be able to play a sound on there. I can mark it as a lost iPhone. I can also erase it or remove it from my Apple account. So you don't need access to that device or even another Apple device. You can do this on any other device to track a lost or stolen iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.